We all possess more power and greater possibilities than we realize, and visualizing is one of the greatest of these powers. The only difference between people who live in this way, who live in the magic of life, and those who don't is that the people who live in the magic of life have habituated ways of being. They have made a habit of using the law of attraction, and magic happens with them wherever they go because they remember to use it. They use it all the time, not just as a one time event. Here are two true stories that clearly demonstrate the powerful law of attraction and the immaculate matrix of the universe in action. The first story is about a woman named Jenny who bought a DVD of The Secret and was watching it at least once a day so that she would absorb the message right into the cells of her body. She was particularly impressed with Bob Proctor, and she thought it would be wonderful to meet him. One morning, Jeannie collected her mail, and to her utter amazement, the mailman had accidentally delivered Bob Proctor's mail to her address. What Jeannie didn't know is that Bob Proctor lived just 4 blocks away from her. Not only that, but Jeannie's house number was same number as Bob's. She immediately took the mail to deliver it to correct address. Can you imagine her utter delight when the door opened and Bob Proctor was standing before her? Bob is rarely at home as he travels all over the world teaching, but the matrix of the universe knows only perfect timing. From Jeannie's thought of how wonderful it would be to meet Bob Proctor, the law of attraction moved people, circumstances, and events throughout the universe so that it happened. The second story involves a 10-year-old boy named Colin who had seen and loved Secret. Colin's family made a week-long visit to Disney World, and on their first day, they experienced long lines at the park. So that night, just before Colin fell asleep, he thought, tomorrow I would love to go on all the big rides and never have to wait in lines. The next morning, Colin and his family were at the gates of the Epcot Center as the park opened, and a Disney staff member approached and asked them if they would be Epcot's first family of the day. As first family, they would be given VIP status, a special escort by a staff member, and walk on passes for every big ride in Epcot. It was everything and more that Colin had wished for. Hundreds of families were waiting to enter Epcot that morning, but Colin didn't have the slightest doubt as to why his family had been chosen first family. He knew it was because he had used the secret. Imagine discovering at the age of 10 that the power to move world lies within you. Nothing can prevent your picture from coming into concrete form except the same power which gave it birth, yourself. People hold that for a while and they are really a champion at it. They say, I am fired up. I saw this program and I am going to change my life, and yet results aren't showing. Beneath the surface, it just about ready to break through, but the person will look just at the surface result and say, this stuff doesn't work. And you know what? The universe says, your wish is my command, and it disappears. When you allow a thought of doubt to enter your mind, the law of attraction will soon line up one doubtful thought after another. The moment a thought of doubt comes, release it immediately. Send that thought on its way. Replace it with, I know I am receiving now, and feel it. Knowing the law of attraction, I wanted to really put it to use and see what would happen. So, this is a story of John Ashraf. In 1995, I started to create something called a vision board, where I take something that I want to achieve or something that I want to attract, like a car or a watch or a soulmate of my dream, and I put a picture of what I want up on this board. Every day, I would sit in my office and I would look up at this board and I would start to visualize. I would really get into the state of having already acquired it. I was getting ready to move. We put all the furniture, all the boxes into storage, and I made three different moves over a period of 5 years. And then I ended up in California and bought this house, renovated it for a year, and then had all the stuff bought from my former home 5 years earlier. One morning, my son Keenan came into my office, and one of the boxes that was sealed for 5 years was right at the doorstep. He asked, what's in this box, Dad? And I said, those are my vision boards. He then asked, what's a vision board? I said, well, it's where I put all my goals up. I cut them out and I put all my goals up as something that I want to achieve in my life. Of course, at 5.5 years old, he didn't understand, and so I said, sweetheart, let me just show you. That's the easy way to do it. I cut the box open, and on one vision board was a picture of a home that I was visualizing 5 years earlier. What was shocking was that we were living in that house. Not a house like it, it actually brought my dream home. Renovated it and didn't even know it. I looked at that house and I started to cry because I was just blown away. Keenan said, why are you crying? I finally understand how the law of attraction works. I finally understand the power of visualization. I finally understand everything that I have read, everything that I have worked with my whole life. The way I have built companies, it worked for my home as well. and I bought our dream home and I didn't even know it. Imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming attraction. Albert Einstein.